I bought a USB charger for my phone and the camera. Very convenient, if I may say so. It's still very hot. I guess it's about 25-26 degrees Celsius. Or should I say pleasantly warm. What the fuck? Oh shit. Har du? Vad i helvete hände nu? Oh. That was the weirdest thing I've experienced in a long time. Look at that. The gear selector here got loose. Pretty weird, huh? Not so good. That's not so good. All right, I've fixed it. The gear shifter here came loose. The bolt must have, what do you say, unscrewed itself. Unscrew? Well, I don't know. You understand what I mean. But luckily I had the tools with me. Well, the standard tools that comes with the bike. So, an easy fix. Good. I can ride on. Good. I don't want to be stranded here in the middle of nowhere. Sun is going down. It will be dark soon. And I'm not so sure that I could have gotten any help here. Maybe I was riding too fast earlier. Oh, look at that. Oh, I gotta stay. I gotta stop. I need to make a little stop here. It's been raining. It was raining yesterday, raining heavily. Thunder and lightning. It's still working. Good. Look at that sun. Look at that sun. The sun is orange, almost red.